How to join the ranks of the elite. This is how you can join the ranks of the elite. Listing your business in a directory can have many advantages, including 1. Cost-effective. Many directories offer free or affordable listing options, allowing you to promote your business to a local audience without spending a lot on advertising. 2. Increased visibility. 3. Improved SEO. 4. When listed in reputable directories, search engines like Google may view your business as more trustworthy and authoritative, which can help improve your search rankings and drive more traffic to your website. 5. Brand awareness. Directory listings can increase brand awareness in unexpected ways. When users search in a directory, they see a list of relevant results, and each result includes a snapshot that can help them decide what to click on. 6. Increase and improve patient reviews. Local directories can provide an opportunity for patients to leave reviews and feedback about your business, which helps improve your reputation and be attractive to new patients. Thus, business directories and online reviews are your secret weapons for credibility and growth. To make the most of these tools, keep your listings accurate and consistent, and engage thoughtfully with reviews. Follow our strategies to supercharge your business's reputation and growth. Your winning strategy with business listings. To make the most of this superhero team, you need a strategy that's as sharp as Batman's utility belt. Keep listings consistent. Maintain accurate business info across all directories. Ask us how. Encourage reviews. Get patients to leave reviews on relevant platforms. Ask us how. Respond thoughtfully. Engage thoughtfully with reviews, addressing concerns and thanking happy patients. Ask us how. Show off. Highlight positive reviews and use them in your marketing materials. Ask us how. Keep improving. Use feedback to fine-tune your offerings and patient experience. Stay vigilant. Regularly update listings and monitor reviews for a solid online presence. Ask us how. Businesses can typically submit their details, including business name, location, contact information, website URL, backlink, and more. Your free listing is now available on a first-come, first-served basis to a limited number of clinics, and the VIP and premium listings are affordable. Learn more at bestdermatologistsus.com. You get listed as soon as payment is received and can get started today. The premium listing has more features and allows you to place more information such as your recognizable logo and images. The VIP and the premium listings are limited to 10 and might choose to be listed as quickly as possible. Thank you, and this is Olivia signing off for Dr. Raj.